Now that we've gotten into distance learning, a new tool that you have available to you is Schoology, which is a learning management software system that will allow you to build different kinds of activities, lessons, and resources for students. The beauty of Schoology is that everything is kept in one spot, and now you don't have to go out to a bunch of places to send students to work and then also go out to find their work. Everything's in one spot. So to get started, there's a couple things we want to do. The first thing is to click on Resources and ensure that the YouTube app has been installed. So I'll click on Resources within Schoology. I'll click on Apps, and I'll ensure that the YouTube Resource app has been installed. And if you don't see it right here in your screen, you'll click Install Apps, Agree, find YouTube wherever it is on the list and check it, and then hit Install. If you don't have it in your Schoology, go ahead and pause right now and install this YouTube Resource app. Once you've done that, you can go back to your courses. And what I did this summer is I created a course B where I've been practicing and mocking up some lessons and some resources. So what I can do is I can click on it and open it up. If you've been doing any of the Schoology 100 PD courses, you may also have a practice course that you can use to do this very thing. Now that I'm in the course, I can add a material. The things that would be most appropriate for YouTube would be to add it as part of an assignment. You can create a page, which would be like a standalone web page or a splash page for maybe a unit or some curriculum that you want the students to interact with, and then have them do something that would be done for a grade. Or you can also make it a link to a YouTube video where they can watch it. What I'm going to demonstrate first is go to add a page. I've gone over to my YouTube playlist and I've selected a video, in this case the link and embed in slides. Google Slides. I'll pause it and click on share. I'm going to copy the URL. Now I'll go over to Schoology, and within this page I'm created, I could title it. I will now go ahead and click on this Insert Content tab. I'll go to YouTube, and I'll paste in the URL. I'll hit the magnifying glass. And now what you'll see here is the video will appear. I'll click on it and hit Import. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to import as an embed. What this will do is it'll actually put the video within Schoology, and now a student does not have to go to YouTube. What you'll see now will be a yellow box in edit mode, and that's okay. When I hit create and scroll on down to the bottom to find that page that was called YouTube Embed, what a student's going to see is the actual video itself, and they don't have to go anywhere, and there's no distractions and nothing else they have to click on. And one last final thought. While I demonstrated how to embed a YouTube video into a page within Schoology, the menus, the buttons, and the functionality would be just the same if you did a discussion or if you did an assignment within Schoology too. I just chose to use the page because maybe that's a way to demonstrate some video and some text, but please know that you have the freedom to incorporate the same video lesson into anywhere else within Schoology itself.